Hi, I'm Noah Mañalac and this is Carrot. I'm the Digital Marketing Manager here at Altitude Digital. My hobbies include making music and making short vlogs. So I usually make music covers and lately I've been delving into making more original music. Growing up, I used to listen to a lot of different types of music, especially because my parents were into music. So I was heavily influenced and eventually saw myself doing music as well. Other than doing music covers, I also enjoy taking videos of my daily life or things I'm interested in and turning them into short vlogs, whether it's vertical or horizontal content. I wanted to create music that makes me feel a certain way. Because when I listen to other people's music, it makes me feel happy, makes me feel sad, makes me feel sawe. So I wanted to impart that emotion as well. So that's why I started creating my own music. So usually for my content, I'm pretty active on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So usually before I shoot a video, I prepare by checking out the light sources. So during the day, usually there's light coming from outside. So I use a supporting light on the other side to make sure that the video is clean and clear. And especially in the evening, since there's no light, you really have to make sure that your light sources are correct and directed towards you. So for me, one of the most important parts of a video is audio. When I'm watching a video, usually if I'm wearing headphones and the audio is not that clear, I'll usually switch to another video. So for me, audio is really important. So I usually use a condenser mic or a dynamic mic when I'm recording a music video especially. So dynamic mics usually don't pick up noise around, and condenser mics are for well-treated and more quiet rooms. For vlogging on the other hand, usually you don't want to be tied up by wires or anything since you're usually walking around or trying to show off things. So perfect for vlogging are wireless microphones. So there's Hollyland microphones, there's DJI microphones, and Rode wireless microphones as well. One of the challenges I had when I was starting out is that equipment's really expensive. So as a music content creator, people usually expect you to have a big studio and all your fancy equipment, when in reality not everyone can afford that. So there are a lot of more budget options that you can get. So when I was starting out, I would use a USB microphone, which is pretty much just plug and play. So it's usually the easiest way to get into audio recording. So you just plug it straight in your laptop into whatever program you might have, and boom, you have audio. So moving forward, you'll actually see people with USB interfaces and higher-end microphones. So just because the equipment is more expensive doesn't mean it's always better quality. It really makes a difference whether your room has a lot of echo, whether it's small or large. So finding the right mic for you is really just trying out different mics, see what matches your voice, and also matching your budget. So same with vlogging, there are also a lot of different kinds of mics. So sometimes, although there's a cheaper option, you'd want to go for a more higher-end option just to invest in your equipment. Sometimes, the more expensive equipment will last you a lot longer. So you'll end up saving more money in the end rather than replacing it again and again. One of the other challenges that I had to go through was trying to find out exactly what type of content I wanted to do. So when I was a kid, I used to do stop motion, which is like Lego. Like you see the Lego movies now, something like that. And then maybe like used to do those photo booth vlogs on the MacBook when that was uso. And until I reached the point where I tried music, which I really enjoyed. But until now, I'm still trying different kinds of content. So I do mini vlogs or lifestyle type things, which goes to show you that your content will still grow through time. So for all the aspiring content creators out there, if you're trying to create music content, I think what's important is just to keep trying. So sometimes, even me, I use my phone if I don't want to plug in a lot of microphones. And usually, your phone has pretty decent microphones, so if you're just trying to do a short cover or anything, it's enough. And then moving forward, you'd want to upgrade and see where your audio lies. And if music's not for you, if you're another type of content creator, there's a lot of types of content that you can try. So there's travel content, there's unboxing content, there's pranks and whatever. There's so much types of content. There's even dog channels. So if you have a pet, you can even create a YouTube channel for your dog. Some things I've learned over time is that you need to be consistent with your content. So I used to post like every month or less than every month. Every few months. And it was really hard to grow my channel and my content. But after posting more consistently, I think you'll see results. People will see your face more often and they'll start following you. So just keep trying and trying. Even if there's not a lot of engagement, not a lot of likes, not a lot of views, it doesn't matter as long as you enjoy what you're doing. So as a content creator, my ultimate goal is that if the people watching enjoy my content and are happy, then I'm happy also. So creating content that promotes positive things and good things, I think, will really not only benefit the viewers, but also you. Like while you're planning the video, you'll feel good about the content you're making, and eventually the same feeling will reach your viewers. If you're looking for equipment for your content creation, whether it's video or audio, check out Altitude Digital, and don't forget to follow them on all their social media accounts. What kind of content are you creating? Comment down below, and see you in the next adventure stories. So bye-bye! Bye!